Autodesk Inventor to create different objects and shapes with various tools within the program. The fillet tool is a tool we use in Inventor that allows you to round edges of different parts. In Inventor, you first create a 2D sketch. To make that sketch 3D, use the Extrude tool and choose a height of your choice. One type of sketch we used was called an isometric sketch. Isometric drawings show the left, front, and top of the figure. We set up fractions to convert SI measurements to customary measurements and vice versa. We learned how to apply each step of the design process to create a product. Each step puts you closer and closer to having a finished design. When dimensioning a part on a title block, each rule has to be followed in order to have a proper dimensioned part. The line going horizontal is known as the major axis. The line going from C to D vertically is known as the minor axis. The area of an ellipse is calculated by multiplying pi by half of the major axis and half the minor axis. We wrote down notes and drew sketches of different types in our engineering notebooks. We printed a date and signed each page that was used. An innovator is a type of engineer that sees a need for improvement on an already existing product and pursues that need using the design process. A multi-view sketch shows two or more two-dimensional views of a three-dimensional object. The front view should be the view that shows the most detail. A three-dimensional view of the object is also shown in a multi-view as oblique or isometric. An oblique sketch shows the front, side, and top view of an object. To draw an oblique, you draw the front face and then go back 45 degrees to get the side of the object. An acute angle is any angle less than 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle equal to 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. We drew a cityscape sketch drawn at a one-point perspective in our engineering notebooks. One-point perspective creates the illusion of depth in a two-dimensional sketch. The principles of design include balance, formal, informal, and radial, emphasis, contrast, rhythm, proportion, unity, and economy. The SI system of measurements is the most widely used measurement system around the world. It is also known as the metric system. The tangent constraint used in the CAD program Inventor allows you to force two curves to maintain a point of tangency to each other or their extensions. The elements of design include point, line, color, value, shape, form, space, and texture. These elements are the structure of the work and can carry a wide variety of messages. An exploded view shows the product in an isometric sketch and contains a parts list which includes every part, how many of that part there is, and a description of each part. Each part is labeled with balloons containing the part number.